Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn class 10 CBSE board and chapter is life processes. In this the topic is excretion. So what is excretion? Excretion is the unwanted harmful material that is thrown out of our body. So this is what excretion is. Okay. For example, respiration. Okay. Respiration में क्या होता है? We took oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is unwanted material. Okay, so that is to be thrown out of the body. Okay, so it is a gaseous unwanted material, okay, waste material that is thrown out of the body, and now several metabolic activities take place in our body which produce a nitrogenous waste material, okay, in our body, okay, that has to be thrown out of the body through the process called excretion. जो हमें नहीं चाहिए unwanted है वो जो harmful भी है that is thrown out of the body is known as excretion. So now further, for unicellular organism the excretion took place with the help of diffusion. Okay, it diffused out through the surface of the body into the surrounding water. But for multicellular organism there are specialized organs for it. Okay, so let's see what are the specialized organs. Now we are going to learn excretory system of human being. So excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, okay, pair of ureter, a urinary bladder and a urethra. एक urethra और एक urine bladder. Okay, so ये kidneys है कहाँ पर? So these kidneys are located in abdomen on either side of backbone. So जो backbone है हमारा, suppose this is a backbone, it is located on the either side of the backbone. दोनों side backbone के हमारे kidneys होती है. Okay, now further. So this kidneys, here the urine is formed. यहाँ पर urine बनती है, it is produced over here and then it passes through the ureter. Okay, then it comes into the urine bladder. Okay, now this ureter connects the kidney and your urine bladder. ये दोनों को connect करता है हमारा ureter. Okay, now urine bladder is a temporary storage place for urine. Okay, यहाँ पर urine temporary store होती है and then it is released out through the urethra out of the body. So this was about the excretory system. So now we are going to have a quick revision. So let's start. So this is a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, urine bladder and urethra. Okay, now urine is formed in the kidney, then it passes into the ureter. From the ureter it comes into urine bladder and then it is released out of the body through the urethra. So this was about the excretory system and next we are going to learn about the nephron. Now we are going to learn about the nephron. Okay, so this is the nephron. Okay, and this is an excretory system. So I have shown both the things on the board. Okay, now we'll start with the nephron. Okay, nephron is a cell as we know. Okay, and we also know that the cells has different shapes and size depend upon the function. उनका काम क्या है? Okay, so here nephron का काम है filtration, इसलिए इसका shape ऐसे है. Okay, now we are going to see the parts of nephron. So here first we start with this cup. ये cup जो है, so it is called as Bowman's capsule. It is called as Bowman's capsule. Okay, and एक cup के अंदर ये जो network of capillaries रखे हुए हैं, इसको कहते हैं glomerulus. It is called as glomerulus. Okay, now you can imagine as a cup with noodles. Okay, so ये noodles है हमारे glomerulus. Okay, further just to remember. Okay, further this Bowman's capsule, okay, it continue as a tube. So ये black color की जो tube है, this is a tubular part of the nephron. Okay, and further this tubular part connects to the collecting duct. Okay, so these are the parts of the nephron and so we are done with the structure of nephron and further we are going to see how this nephron cell works. So here renal arteries brings the impure blood, that is the blood which is rich in nitrogenous waste. Okay, this bring with a high pressure into the glomerulus. It enters into the glomerulus and these glomerulus are the network of capillaries. The network of capillaries है and here this network of capillaries are very thin and permeable. Okay, now here the filtration take place. It acts as a filter. एक sieve की तरह, एक छलनी की तरह काम करता है and the filtrate comes into the Bowman's capsule. the filtrate आ चुका है bounce capsule में. Okay, further the renal artery. Okay, now renal artery में आ जाता है हमारा pure blood. Okay, now this filtrate passes through the tubular part of the nephron. Tubular part of the nephron से pass हुआ and comes into the collecting duct. Okay, now here this is good, it has come to the collecting duct, but one thing is this, that filtrate contains useful and harmful substance also. Glomerulus does not distinguish between useful and harmful substance. उसका काम है filtration का, वो filtrate करता है बस. ओके, पर हमें तो यूजफुल सब्सटेंस चाहिए जो फिल्ट्रेट में है, तो ये यूजफुल सब्सटेंस हमको कैसे मिलेंगे? ओके, नाउ दिस रीनल आर्टरीज, ओके, विच कंटेन्स फिल्टर ब्लड. ओके, नाउ दिस इज रेड इन कलर, दिस मूव्स पैरेलल टू आवर ट्यूबुलर पार्ट ऑफ द नेफ्रॉन. ये रेड कलर के जो हमारे रीनल आर्टरीज हैं, दिस मूव पैरेलल टू द ट्यूबुलर पार्ट ऑफ द नेफ्रॉन एंड दे रीअब्जॉर्ब ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट सब्सटेंसेस लाइक ग्लूकोज, salts, amino acid, and major that is a part is the water. Okay, that is reabsorbed, and these renal arteries that is red in color I have shown over here. Okay, they join to form this purple color renal vein. Okay, now renal vein contains pure blood, that is filter blood, plus it contains all the useful substances. So this renal veins carries the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, now what about the urine? Urine form हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? So here the filtrate when it comes to the end part of the tubular, end part पर आ जाता है, तब तक यहाँ पर urine बन जाता है, that is urine is formed and urine contains only the harmful substances or poisonous substances, waste material, and of course water. Okay, so here the urine is formed by the time it comes to the end part of the tubular. Okay, this urine enters into the collecting duct, and here we finished with the nephron, how it works. Till now we are learn about the nephron. Okay, but ये nephron है कहाँ पर? So this is an excretory system. I have shown over here. It consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, a urine bladder, and a urethra. Okay, now nephron कहाँ पर है? So kidney is made up of nephron. So ये किडनी जो है नेफ्रॉन से बनी हुई है, एंड सो इट नेफ्रॉन इज कॉल्ड एज अ फंक्शनल एंड स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट ऑफ द किडनी. ओके, नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल आवर हाउस इज मेड अप ऑफ ब्रिक्स. हमारा घर जो है वो ईंट से बना हुआ है. लाइकवाइज दिस किडनी इज मेड अप ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. ओके, नाउ हियर द रेड डॉट आर द बाउंस कैप्सूल. ओके, द बाउंस कैप्सूल है एंड these are the tubules and collecting ducts which pours the urine into the pelvis part of the kidney. Okay, now from here the urine passes through the ureter, and from the ureter it comes into the urine bladder. Okay, now urine bladder is a muscular bladder. It is under the control of nervous system. Okay, now when this bladder is filled with urine, the message that is impulses goes to the brain, and from the brain the impulses comes that go for urination. Okay, that is the urine is removed through the urethra, okay, out of the body, and it passed through the urethra. And here we finished with the nephron. Now we are going to have a quick revision. So let's start with the revision. So this is the nephron. Okay, now here this is a cup shape called as Bowman's capsule. Okay, and this is a network of capillaries, glomerulus. Okay, and this is the tubular part of a nephron which get connected to the collecting duct. Okay, now how this nephron cell works? So here the renal arteries brings the blood which is rich in nitrogenous waste with a high pressure. Okay, now this blood enters into glomerulus, that is a network of capillaries. Okay, and it acts as a filter. Now it filters the blood and the filtrate comes into the Bowman's capsule. Okay, now further this filter blood is coming into the renal artery. Okay, now this filtrate contains the useful substance as well as harmful substance, but we want the useful substance that are important for us. Okay, now this filtrate when passes through the tubular part of the nephron, at that time this renal artery which is shown in the red color, okay, passes parallel to the tubular part of the nephron. Okay, it passes parallel to the tribunal part of the nephron so that it can reabsorb all the useful substance. Okay, now it reabsorb all the useful substance, and this red color renal arteries forms for the renal veins, which is shown in purple color. Okay, now these renal veins contains the filter blood as well as useful substance which is supplied to all parts of the body. Now, by the time this filtrate comes to the end part of the tubular, it becomes urine. This urine is poured into the collecting duct, and from the collecting duct it comes into the ureter, and from the ureter it comes into the urine bladder, and from the urine bladder through the urethra it is thrown out of the body. So here we complete our topic, that is the excretion. Okay, if you like the topic, subscribe it for the next topic, next video. Till then, bye, take care.